20 subtle signs a woman at work likes you. Hey there, it's Anna. The workplace, a hub of professionalism, deadlines, and secret admirers? Have you ever felt an underlying tension or wondered if a female colleague might be seeing you as more than just a desk mate? Today, we are shining a light on the under-the-radar hints and nuanced behaviours women might display when they are feeling a bit more than just work-friendly towards someone. By the end of this video, you will have owned your observational skills and be ready to pick up on those very subtle cues that are often missed. Intrigued to uncover the workplace mysteries? Let's dive in. Personal messages. It starts as a work email or a message about an upcoming meeting, but soon the conversation transitions into casual chats. Maybe she shares a humorous meme, an interesting article, or talks about her evening plans. Such personal touches in messages denote her comfort level with you and a desire to engage beyond the professional sphere. It's her way of blending the boundaries, indicating that she views you as more than just a co-worker. The coffee connection. It's a simple gesture, but when she frequently offers to grab you a coffee or makes it a point to ask if you'd like to accompany her on coffee breaks, it's more than just caffeine at play. It could be her way of finding little moments to bond and converse with you, a chance to step away from the work environment and share a personal conversation. Such offers often signify a desire to connect on a deeper level beyond the confines of work. Desk drop-ins. It's a bustling environment and everyone has tasks to manage, yet she often finds reasons to swing by your desk. Maybe it's to chat about a recent movie, share a quick anecdote, or ask about your opinion on something not entirely related to work. These brief visits, while seeming innocuous, are often her way of carving out personal moments amidst professional chaos. It's her subtle gestures of showing she values your company and wants to maintain a connection beyond mere work discussions. Prolonged eye contact. It's easy to dismiss this as mere politeness, especially in a professional setting. However, she consistently holds your gaze for just a touch longer than usual, especially during team meetings or those brief encounters in the hallway. It might hint at an underlying interest. That lingering eye contact, often accompanied by a small smile or a thoughtful expression, can indicate that she is genuinely engaged in what you are saying, or perhaps she's just trying to connect with you. Noticeable body language. Body language can reveal a lot without words. If you find her subconsciously touching her hair, her face, or even her necklace, for example, when talking to you, these are classic signs of nervous excitement. Additionally, if she leans in slightly during conversations or mirrors your gestures, it's a subtle indication of her interest and comfort with you. These cues, although easy to overlook, often speak volumes about how she feels in your presence. Lunchtime companionship. In the workplace, lunchtime can be a much-needed respite. If she frequently finds reasons to join you during lunch or even subtly hints at grabbing a bite after work, it's a sign she enjoys your company. Now, these moments outside the work environment give her an opportunity to get to know you better in a more relaxed setting. It's her way of bridging the gap between professional and personal, indicating a desire to know the real you beyond office hours. Remembering the details. Amidst work deadlines and projects, she still remembers the little things about your personal life. Perhaps she'll ask you about your weekend getaway or inquire about that thriller that you were engrossed in last week. Such keen attention to detail signifies more than just a good memory. It shows that she genuinely cares and is interested in your life outside of the office. These gestures make it clear that to her, you are not just another colleague. Subtle compliments. In a professional setting, overt flattery can be out of place, but she has her ways. Perhaps it's a passing comment about how your shirt brings out the colour of your eyes, or how she noticed your new haircut. These understated compliments, focusing on your attire or subtle changes in your appearance, are her discreet way of expressing admiration and showcasing her observant nature. Defending you. The office space can sometimes become a battleground of ideas and viewpoints. In such situations, she seems to have your back. It might be a subtle nod of agreement or a reinforcing statement, or just gently countering a differing opinion to support yours. Her actions aren't about blindly siding with you, but reflecting on a deeper level of respect and admiration for your perspectives. This suggests that her fondness for you isn't limited to casual chats, but extends to valuing your professional input as well. Shared interests. Over casual coffee breaks or lunch hours, she displays an eagerness to learn more about your passions and interests. Maybe she's suddenly into that band that you mentioned or expresses a desire to try out that hobby that you are passionate about. While interests can be coincidental, a sudden alignment or an urge to discover more about your favorites indicates she's finding ways to bridge connections and shared experiences with you. Asking for your opinion. Beyond the scope of immediate work, she seeks your thoughts on various subjects. It could be about a new book she's reading, a show she's watching, or even broader topics like travel destinations. By valuing your opinion on matters that aren't directly linked to work, she is signaling that your perspective holds weight in her personal decisions. It's a subtle way of intertwining her world with yours. Invitations outside work. Social gatherings, team outings, or even casual hangouts after work hours, she ensures that you are always in the loop. It's not just about team connection, she's expressing a desire to see you in informal settings. By ensuring that you are on the guest list, she is subtly indicating that any gathering would be incomplete without your presence. This move extends the professional relationship into personal territory, hinting at her desire to spend more time with you beyond the confines of the office. Picks up on your vibe. Emotional attunement often indicates a deeper interest and connection. When she's particularly attuned to your moods and emotions, it's a sign she's paying close attention. If you are feeling down, stressed, or just not yourself, she's quick to notice. A casual "is everything okay?" or a reassuring "if you need to talk, I'm always here" goes beyond mere professional courtesy. Her sensitivity to your emotional state reflects a genuine concern for your well-being, hinting at feelings that might extend beyond friendship. Celebrates your achievements. Your triumphs, whether big or small, don't go unnoticed by her. She takes genuine joy in your successes, whether it's a work promotion, an accolade, or even personal milestones like maybe running a marathon. She is among the first to congratulate you, often with an enthusiasm that is hard to miss. Her happiness for your achievements isn't just about being polite, it's a reflection of her admiration and perhaps deeper affections for you. Noticeable online activity. In today's digital age, online interactions can be as telling as offline ones. If she's consistently engaging with your content on platforms like LinkedIn, be it liking, sharing, or commenting, it's a good indicator she enjoys keeping up with your updates. This is especially telling if you notice she doesn't engage as actively with others. Her online presence around your profile, whether it's about professional achievements or more casual posts, suggests that she's keen on staying connected with your digital persona. Mentioning future plans. Forward thinking is a subtle indicator of intent and interest. If she often brings up future activities, events, or projects and paints a picture where you are included, it's a sign it might be as straightforward as "we should work on a project together," or as casual as "there's this seminar next month, maybe we should attend it." By visualizing and subtly weaving you into her future plans, she's indicating a desire for continuity in the relationship and possibly hinting at deeper feelings. Holds your belongings. There's an inherent intimacy into the gesture of holding onto someone's personal items, even if they are as mundane as files or a coffee mug. If she frequently offers to carry your stuff when you have your hands full or when you are juggling tasks, it's not just about being helpful. By willingly taking on the responsibility of safeguarding your belongings, even for a short while, she might be signaling her care and interest in being close to you, even in the most understated ways. Light teasing. Playful banter, especially light teasing, can be a subtle yet telling sign of affection. If she finds moments to playfully poke you or engage in witty exchanges over innocent topics, it suggests a certain level of comfort and connection between the two of you. More than just friendly jesting, this can be her way of forming a unique bond, different from her interactions with other colleagues. The key here is the warmth and humour in the teasing, which is often underlined by a fondness for your company. Send you updates. Now, we all get swamped with work emails and updates, but if she takes the time to forward you relevant information, to notify you about upcoming office events, or even share reminders about meetings that you might have missed, it's indicative of her attentiveness towards you. While it can be seen as a helpful gesture, consistently singling you out to ensure you are in the loop speaks of a deeper interest in ensuring you are well informed and supported. Noticeable availability. Does she often make it a point to let you know when she's free? Whether she is dropping hints about her available hours or ensuring you are aware of her lunch breaks, such openness is a subtle invitation. It's a way of signaling that she values time spent with you and is open to having more personal conversations or moments of connection outside the strict confines of work tasks. This kind of transparency often points to a desire for deeper interaction and possibly a budding romantic interest. It's important to note that while these can be indicators of interest, they can also just be signs of friendly behaviour. Differentiating between the two requires keen observation, emotional intelligence, and sometimes direct communication. It's also essential to maintain professionalism and respect boundaries in a workplace setting. Decoded those workplace hints? Let's keep the momentum. Watch if she greets you like this, she's crazy for you, or get playful with reverse psychology to make a girl flirt with you. Pick what intrigues you most, and thanks for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.